YSL Beauty for our complexion masterclass with Marcio.
Activate the product like that and just press into your skin. Do you know that saffron is actually a product that contains a lot of anti-aging? With serums, you don't need a lot because it penetrates really quickly into your skin. Don't worry, I'm using my hands here, but after I'm gonna use my brush as well. So this way you have a full coverage as well, so you can see how to do it both ways. Can you see how it looks straight away? It just makes your lips look bigger. A little bit here. So if you see there's quite a lot here, we call it rocking and roll. So you're gonna really press the product into your skin because this will stop the oil coming through. Going very close to the lash line, and a little bit here, a V shape. The pink side is almost a small brush, so we're gonna get more lengthening and separate lash with this. And then you can see here, brush outwards. So this way, you get the more like a butterfly finish. Yeah. Here is the art, and here is fading. And if you see what I'm doing here, it's just a small touch. Houses nowadays is for Yves Saint Laurent. He broke the rules. Everything that he did for his entire life was breaking the rules in fashion. So was women wearing tuxedo, women wearing trousers, was women, black women over here was the first one for the black women on the catwalk in a Vogue magazine cover. So they love things that came from Yves Saint Laurent. So he always break the rules.